Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making one of my recipes, and this one is a recipe for oatmeal cookies. Let's get started.
Lots of ingredients today. We need 3/4 cup or 190 grams of butter, 1 cup or 200 grams of brown sugar, and this can be dry or soft brown sugar, half a cup or 100 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon cloves, 1 3/4 cup or 220 grams of flour, 2 cups or 180 grams of oats, 1 cup or 150 grams of raisins, which is totally optional. In a large mixing bowl, cream your butter. Add both sugars and cream together. Then beat in the eggs. Then add all your spices and combine them. Then add the flour and beat it in. Then set aside your mixer and using a spatula, fold in the oats, and the raisins. Then line a baking tray with parchment paper and spoon about half a tablespoon sized mounds of dough onto the tray. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. These cookies are soft and lovely. They have a great spice-filled flavor and are great for winter. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. If you make it yourself, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your work. If you like this video, hit that like button. And while you're down there, hit subscribe for a new cake video every week, as well as regular recipes and tutorials. Or see our full cake gallery and all our recipes on our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. See you again next time.